stock setting up for swing moves of 8 to 20%. As you can see, I have 72 stocks in the watch list. CNAT is something which I've been watching for some days, which is basically going sideways. And NABAR, you'll see a lot of oil and gas industry stocks are setting up for a possible breakout to the upside. So that's one. Kronos worldwide, then you have SCSC, which is like a small bull flag. Then you have GBX, which should be up today, probably Delec. Then you have Evercore Partners. Now stock is going sideways. A lot of stocks are going sideways because the market itself is going sideways, and some of these stocks, instead of breaking out to the upside, are breaking down. So SGYP, this is number one idea which I'm looking at, basically because it has a recent catalyst, and after that it has set up for a possible breakout from here. So that looks like a nice setup. Then you have XCRA, then Group 1 Automotive. Again, here you'll see that the entire sector, stocks in this auto dealership sectors, they're all setting up for a possible breakout to the upside. Then you have SeaWorld, Hornbeck Offshore, again oil and gas stock. A lot of oil and gas stocks are in the similar mode, Lope. Then you have TrueCar, MTB Bank, Play, Dave & Buster Entertainment. This is another idea which I've been watching for some time because there's a big catalyst here of good earnings. So if it gets going, probably can go to around 65, 70. So Con and Perry, SMTC, Danbury, again oil and gas stock, airline, Delta Airline, AST Hospitality, that's a rate, Thor Industries, Quanta Services, Akamai, again setting up very nicely if it breaks out. Science Applications International Corporation, OSCOS, then you have FRC, Keystone Packaging, TSRA, North Star Realty. Then you have Private Bank Corp, Federal Signal, JB Hunt, Brunswick Corporation, FCIH, SWM, Marriott, Allison Transmission, WR Bucket, EOG. The oil and gas stocks, as I said, those are the one which are dominating the list. HFC, DRQ, then you have PDC. Some rates are showing up also, especially the hotel and motel rates, so LHO. Then you have Borg Water, Warner, so which is auto parts, Trinity Industries, Railroad, General Dynamics. Then you have ELP, which is also setting up nicely for a possible move to around, say, I would say 45. Then International Paper. Then you have DuPont Fabros Technology, which is again a rate which is setting up very nicely. That looks like a good setup. Then you have DGX, WSTC, New York Times, Microsoft, large cap stocks setting up very nicely. That's a huge, that's a very nice kind of a setup which is happening there. National Oil, Wilworco, Priceline, then you have Pizza, Burlington Stores. Again, stock has a good earnings catalyst going sideways. If it breaks out, can make a big move. PayPal, then you have Zoetis, AMN Healthcare, which is a stock which I've been watching for some time. It's again setting up nicely. Paychecks, Lululemon, Amazon has got a 3 days pullback. Earnings is next week. So Intel, then you have CIB, Baba, which has got sideways for 6 days and setting up nicely for a possible breakout and can hit to around 105 to 108. So that looks guys. Amgen, then you have Allergen, which is again like bouncing back. This was like almost 8, 9, 10 days up in a row, and now small pullback. Then you have Everbridge. So those are the stocks which I am watching currently, and as I said, because the market itself is going sideways, a lot of stocks are going sideways as everything has come to a standstill waiting for another catalyst to come into the market.